So here we have the brand new Nova SI4K. It's a little bit more budget friendly than the Nova SI4. It's got the same sliding extrusion though. Really nice, thick extrusion. A little bit more, like I said, budget friendly package and its bigger brother, the Nova SI4. You got the ready 3-up, 3-axis control, saw blade tilt, saw blade height, and rip fence. You've got the 400mm blade there. You can see that's quite a depth of cut with the 400mm blade. Really nice saw, evolution of SCM. Take a look inside the blade group here. And you see we've got full cast iron surround that we're used to. I was just finished playing with this, so you should see a fair amount of dust in there. This is a dado capable machine. You see the regular throat plate, but you see we can extend that out. And then the little pull out there, you can bring the oversaw guard out to meet the edge of your dado by pulling that out. Some really nice new features in here. There's the track system now. We can lock the slider in any position.